Suri hinira inquire hinira suri hinira inquire ke Thomas kan ke claim ke dam je parman phong paro hinira pike pra hini ke selong baje session kang thang ni pain kora phor ni ke se hem to nalo suri hinira inquire ke Thomas parman tangka maha kisi ke dang mate baje session kang ni pona jai mek ingi pon labak swa jai mek ke selong dipati chairman retesing hia hin pensi me chari pon me long ke CSM Dr. Tuliram rong hang pen chinglok MC do an chingmai pon ke bang diar ni long kore trok MC ang kang sai mo claim ke dam pon je phan tangka maha kisi ke dang mate baje session apu thak ka chingmai pon padu.
Thank you, Honorable Chairman, for giving this opportunity. The 252 session of the Cardinal Thomas Council held on 5th February. Budget speech on the district budget. Honorable Chairman and Honorable members of this House, at the very outset, before presenting the budget of entrusted subject for the financial year 2023, may I take this privilege to welcome the Honorable Chairman and all the members of this budget session. On behalf of the Cardinal Thomas Council, pay great esteem to our most popular and energetic and dynamic Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma for his love, sincerity and commitment towards the overall socio-economic growth, sustainable development to ensure lasting peace and harmony in the hills of Assam. Honorable Chairman, sir, the copies of the budget prepared for the year 2023 have already been made available to the honorable members of this House. I do hope during the session there will be a truly and constructive deliberation on the budget estimates for the year 2023. Honorable Sir, may I now take the privilege to speak on the estimated expenditure of the on the budget for the year of 2022-23. The budget estimate for the entrusted subject prepared by the Council in accordance to the clause J of the government OM number HED 57/95/316 dated 31/12/1996. The planned budget SOPD is the prepared as per sectoral allocation of 2023 communicated to the Council by the Development Commissioner for Hills Area, Assam, item number HDD 4/2022/37 dated 27 February 2022. The proposed budget under SOPD has been estimated at rupees 948 crores 71,71,000. এবাৰ বাজেট ইনক্ৰিজ হৈছে তিনি বাজেট আমাৰ 20% ইনহেন্স লৈ আমাৰ বাজেট পাইছে এইবাৰ টোটাল বাজেট ফ্ৰম ষ্টেট গভৰ্নমেণ্ট এণ্ড সেন্ট্ৰেল স্পন্সৰ স্কিম ইনক্লুডিং সেন্ট্ৰেল স্পন্সৰ স্কিম we have to take this year budget 948 crores 71,71,000. Only which also includes the amount of rupees 4,286.46 lakhs as CSF from central government, Family Welfare of the ICDL and Karbi Bhavan, New Delhi. PM KSY Article 275 actual requirement of salary and wages of fees contingency to the rupees 1,419 crores 79 lakhs and 91,000 only, as totaling of rupees 2,368 crores 51 lakhs and 62,000 including salary. Honorable Chairman sir, now me I request the honorable member of this Upper House to consider the preparation budget of the drafted subject of Kargil Autonomous Council for the year 2022 and 23. Last but not least, the persuading effort of the officials and staff of budget. Finance Department of KSC who took part in preparation of this budget within a limit time is immensely appreciated. I personally look forward in your kind anticipation. Thank you, Chairman, Sir, and all members of this House.
Labang soke bang di suri hinira inkoira ke thoma pan long inkoira trok ayam sia long sai ke klem ponje pan ka do ka be kuti pharok kre sir kebra pre kebra nar kebra lak toxic kebra isira suri toxic kebra isia na tangka sikdang pon lo pusi CM hin pen pangtak mo lapen CM hin pen ka paklang pon ki sigme ka tangka ke doan MSC atumta chekroi dun pet lo pusi pherang kia thengno lang thenang pidun